Make a video. The Jeep failed on me, so guess what? Today we're gonna have this guy who ain't gonna fail on me one out and about here. Unfortunately, there are no drivers in it, so you're not gonna see the penguins, but at least gonna be something fun and excited for this RC adventure. Better than what we had last time with the Jeep crap out. So let's do it. Cool. Been a while since I cooked this guy out. Last time I cooked him out actually with my friends for the very first one. And yeah, that always goes over well. Because they've got one I could bash within. Which is me. It's actually made for bashing, it's a quick RC car, so once in a while it's so much fun. Obviously, I'm glad we edit because that was that shot. But anyway, in case that one. Actually, when I'm good like drive-by shots, I gotta put it out some time. Other than that, not that much I have to edit out. It is very loud over here, so I might have to make some music, especially with the construction company going on here. But we'll see how many more shots I could get here. That's a little low. I don't like that. See, I'll be back and to show you guys what I look for. Like I could do a shot. I could look for what the best camera angle and how I could represent the shot. Obviously, the noise of a construction, you have to be careful here. I don't really like doing garden shots because bees are crap. I'm not going on this way. That's a geisha shot right there. Couple geisha shots. We'll see it again. Obviously, I will always show you guys the geisha shots that I take multiple chances with it. Like I'll do more than just one glide by to hopefully get a good take, and I'll get out all the bad case and show you guys all the good ones. That's kind of what I try to do here, especially with the park being closed and stuff. I can't really do much with the park being closed, so I kind of want to give the construction a good way and cause problems. But again, I could probably give you guys the best shots without getting in the way of other things. See, construction sign. See that with a good. We'll work on the park down there, so I can't do too much park stuff. See? Now that's how you film an RC Russia, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I was obviously holding that camera But you have to kind of like, where it hits it, you have to let it go. It's all a kind of thing. Obviously, look, you can see me filming. I could use my cell phone for this crap. I could use a fancy camcorder or anything. Obviously, now I have to be careful with people leaving, but that neither here or there. I will put music in the background of it, because so if actually with a shot I'm not talking, because you don't have to hear the construction site the whole time. Sound like they're on a freaking mine site. But hey, it is what it is. Oh, keep focusing. Focus right there. There we go. Let's see. Can I get a little geezer shot? It's all about shots. That's what it's about today. Most of the time I have to hold the flicker camera to get a geezer shot up because it ain't going to work the other way because also it will tilt too far forward. Which is fine. But I would like to thank you guys for tuning into RC Adventure. This thing had been a buttload of fun to try to get some shots with. Most of my shots are kind of drive-by, but maybe I'll get a climbing shot here because I have some wasps in my front yard. I could you could get some good old-fashioned RC climbing. It'd be easier if the park was open because then I could actually get better shots with it. But hey, what do you gotta do? Ooh, I have no ceiling. You have no ceiling, buddy. Look at that. Look at that pose right there. Oh, shadow. See? Voila. Ooh! Get too close. Cement block. Ooh, out of position as you can tell. Out of position. Whoopie. Nope. Woo! Woo! Woo, baby. See? I'll go a fast RC climb right now. Could I do it though? Woo! Kimber! Help the thing up here. See? There we go. That's how you do it. I'm going to keep running with it for a little while. I could get sick of filming. You guys have a good rest of your day. I'll catch you in the next RC adventure. On the channel.